What we doing?
So we are supposed to record a video for our fake YouTube channel,
Right.
and we are planning to include our man right here.
The area, Barranco. This is the tip, right by the restaurant right here. And then you can come out here, watch the sunset, do all that stuff if you need to, if you want to, which you should. I recommend. But yeah, I've seen the sunset here so many times from so many different angles. It's getting a little bit repetitive, but at the same time, I don't think we have too many more sunny days left in the year out here. It's starting to be their dry season, which is also less sun, less sunny days, more of the marine layer that kicks over, comes in. So more cloudy days and less sun. So you combine those two things, and then it's probably time to go to the northern hemisphere for a little bit. Head back home pretty soon, but we'll see.
No, man.
But here you also have the love locks. I don't know what they call those things, but I always see them in different places. You got these right here. It's kind of cool, be able to do this stuff. A lot of people would say, you know, nowadays you can your phone is good enough for a lot of this, and it is. But I think when you come to a place like this, I don't mind putting a little bit more effort in to give you better visuals, better audio, and it actually empowers me. It inspires me to try to make better content, come up with more ideas and things like that. So if you appreciate this, make sure you like and subscribe and share. Do whatever you can, because this is not always the easiest thing to do. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But it can be fulfilling, especially when you know you got a community out there of people, travelers, or people who are just interested in traveling through the medium of the internet that appreciate what you're doing and appreciate your effort. Obviously, a lot of times when we're doing things like surfing, all of that, you know, different type of equipment is required. Definitely need a action camera, something like that. But for a lot of this right here, you don't need too much, man. You know, you need a basic, for me, if you want the best imagery nowadays, the stuff we can get, the fact that I can hold this camera up one-handed on a selfie stick with the mic on, attached, and it's not too crazy of a get up. It is a little bit crazy. You don't see it out here often. But the fact that I can set it up and rock with it means that we're at the point now that if you actually want great imagery, you can get it. If you want to keep it very simple and have decent imagery, you can get that too. But there's always different levels to it, and I've just jumped up a level from what I was doing before with the iPhone and GoPro as of 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And the thing about this setup is it's not always about showing off, but it's also about giving yourself room to improve, testing your skills, whether it's recording, learning something like this, the camera, learning how to plug in audio, learning about stabilization, learning about color grading or not color grading, you know, using different color profiles. All that stuff is learning, and I think these type of skills will translate into the type of, how do you say it, the type of brand, the type of media brand you want to be in the future. Because right now there's like this battle between quality and very low effort, ease of use content. And I think if you had to ask yourself which one is going to stand the test of time, I think you already know. You already know which one is going to do well long term or better long term. So, hola, how are you?
Fine.
You guys American?
No, we're from Peru, but we are also recording.
Okay. Where you recording?
We have to do a project in English.
Okay. So let's start now then. I'm testing you.
Okay.
You guys are university students, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What university are you at?
We are the Sacred Heart Women's University. Yeah.
Okay,
The
cool.
second year.
That's here in Lima.
Yes.
So what is the project? What are you supposed to do?
Oh, actually, you're a perfect person because you
Okay.
have to record the video, doing like a tourism guide
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
for tourists, all in English. Because
Yeah. And the career is translation. So
Okay, nice. We need to get a little bit closer, maybe about right here, so the audio picks up better.
yeah,
Okay. So what do y'all want to do? So these ladies I just met, obviously you saw it if you've been paying attention. But they are college students and they're practicing English. They're at school for English translation. And part of their project is to engage with some people and act like they're YouTubers or, and I think they want to be YouTubers as well. So part of their assignment is to come up and have a list of questions ready to ask someone. So I was just talking about having equipment and being set up, and here we are. Like literally, you saw me talking about it and then going right into it. So, yeah. All right.
okay.
all right.
So we have a part of the script that could work.
One more thing.
Okay.
I got one more piece of equipment we can use.
You understand in Spanish?
See in poco.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, maybe you can test on your Spanish.
Huh? You gonna test me on my Spanish?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay, if you want.
we study linguistics after all, you know?
Okay.
We are supposed to translate.
All right. All right. We also have an extra mic in case the sound isn't good. We got this here. I think we're good here. This looks like a decent shot. Okay. What we doing?
So we are supposed to record a video for our fake YouTube channel,
Right.
and we are planning to include our man right here. Yeah.
First off, my name's Tay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
thank-
right. That
And-
should be the first thing.
Yeah. And what's your name?
My name is Lucia, but yeah.
Lucia.
I'm Mariana.
Mariana. Okay.
Ariana.
Ariana.
Yeah.
Okay, like Ariana Grande. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we got that out the way. Greetings.
Yes.
Okay, so now what?
So now we may show you the bridge
It's history.
and talk about a little bit of the history.
Okay.
Yeah, that we got for our own video. Yeah. What
Okay.
about that?
That sounds good to me.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's
Cool.
do it. This is very unexpected, you know.
Yeah, I mean, but hey, that's sometimes you got to work like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Named after the bridge.
She's what we would call an icon
Yeah.
from the cultura limeña for Lima.
A song of hers is also like a national anthem here.
Yeah.
Like the second national anthem.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's considered like that. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, she's
She's a very strong woman. She was like a housewife, and then she divorced. She got divorced, and she started making songs and became famous. And
Okay.
yeah, that's from her.
Nice.
Sorry.
so she's very interesting.
Yeah.
A very interesting person. And that's what it's amazing about the place because you don't only have monuments, you don't only have rich with history, but you also have people that it's had a great impact in Lima and in the country also.
Like from here in the war, from the Pacific War, this was like burned and it got like built again. So it's like a lot of history that sometimes we don't know, like we cannot see, but yeah,
Yeah.
there's a lot here.
Even as Peruvians, you know, you may see people taking photos with hair, but truly at the end of the day, they don't know what secrets this place hidden,
Has hidden.
has hidden. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So she wrote this famous song that is called Flor de la Canela.
Flor de Canela. Okay.
Flor de la Canela. It's like a cinnamon flower.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the.
That's second anthem of Peru.
Oh, nice.
You hear her speaking Spanish, we'll hear this accent that is very particular of Lima.
Oh.
She's very classy. It's her history and her culture and background what made her who she is now.
Yeah.
But I know she was like a very classy, important woman.
Okay.
So, wow. And I don't know who he is.
You don't know who the general guy is over there on the horse?
Probably he's important though, but okay, let me see. Okay. No, he doesn't seem to be important.
Okay. He's just a guy on a horse.
Just a guy, yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming soon.